Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for AI/ML. To start your journey, immerse yourself in Python's fundamental concepts. Master basic syntax, understand various data types like integers and strings, and learn control flow statements such as loops and conditionals. Dedicate at least 20 hours to these core principles, ensuring you can confidently write small programs. This strong foundation is absolutely crucial for tackling more complex AI and machine learning tasks later on. Once you have the basics down, dive deeper into Python's powerful features. Grasp data structures like lists, which are ordered collections, and dictionaries, which store key-value pairs. Familiarize yourself with functions to organize your code and object-oriented programming for building robust applications. Spend approximately 15 hours on these intermediate topics, as they form the backbone for efficient data manipulation and algorithm implementation in AI and machine learning. With a solid Python foundation, it's time to explore the libraries essential for AI and machine learning. Start with NumPy for high-performance numerical computing, especially with multidimensional arrays. Then, move to Pandas, which is indispensable for data cleaning, transformation, and analysis using its powerful data frame structure. Finally, delve into scikit-learn, offering a vast array of machine learning algorithms. Dedicate at least 30 hours to these three libraries, as they are your primary tools. The best way to solidify your learning is through practical application. Begin with small projects, perhaps predicting house prices or classifying images, using the libraries you've learned. Consider contributing to open-source projects or participating in online data science competitions to gain real-world experience. Continuous learning is key. The AI and machine learning landscape evolves rapidly. Aim to complete at least 5 distinct projects to build a strong portfolio and deepen your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.